Hey there everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to My Feather Nest. My name is Kim. So if you're interested to see how I created this super cute vintage wicker dress form that's all gussied up in some flowers, perfect for my porch, then stay tuned because that is what we are doing in today's video. So I started out with this vintage wicker dress form that my sweet friend Lisa gifted to me. This is Maverick, you guys. This is my second grand baby dog. This is Olivia's puppy, and he is an Australian Shepherd, and he is the sweetest puppy ever. I love him so much, and he's so pretty. Anyway, so we were kind of having a little get together. This is my daughter Olivia, my bestie Alyssa, which is actually Olivia's mother-in-law as well, and my sweet mother-in-law there in the background. We were kind of having a craft night. Everybody was just kind of working on their own thing. They thought it was so weird that I was filming them doing this, but yeah, you gotta, take advantage of those candid moments. So anyway, I'm just showing you here some of the florals that I pulled out of my storage. I have a lot of florals, and so I always will suggest to you guys to shop your own closets, your own storage first before you go out and purchase new things. That way you can make your projects a lot more budget friendly. Will I use everything? Not necessarily, but like I said, I was trying to save as much money as possible by just using what I have. So here you can see that I started out just by using these green floral picks, and I do not have them wired in. I just kind of shoved them enough to where they would stay. You could always use floral wire if you need to wire yours in to maybe make it a bit more sturdy if you're having troubles with your picks not staying. I didn't find the need to do this. I also will be changing my dress form out quite a bit, and so I didn't really want to have anything that was going to hinder me from pulling stuff out quickly. So I'm just kind of continuing to plug and play. Here I really show you. I don't know why I skipped most of me shoving everything in there, but that is all I did. I just shoved away. And I really am happy with the way that it turned out. I love all of these colors. These are always usually typically colors that I use throughout my home. And I just made it really full. I gave her a really full skirt. And so to make the finale here, I just added some necklaces that I happen to have onto the dress form. There's so many different things that you could do. You could use a shirt. You could use some type of a jacket. I've had little like fur capes on my other dress form before. Just various ways that you can cover up the front portion of your dress form. And as you can see, I don't have anything in the back. I actually ran out of greenery. And so I'm going to try and get to the store to get some more, just some cheap greenery to fill in just the back. She won't really be seen so much in the back, but it's definitely something that I'd like to cover up. So there's Maverick again. I just can't help myself. He is just so stinking sweet. I just can't help myself. I love my dogs. I'm sure those of you that have animals of your own love them probably as much as I love mine. But having grand dogs and my own dogs is just, I don't know. It's just, they're just so sweet. They love us unconditionally. And there's Drake. Do you guys remember him? He's our rescue. We actually call him Raymond James, believe it or not, more than we call him Drake. Don't even ask how we came up with that. So I went ahead and moved the dress form out onto the side of the wraparound porch. This is where she's going to be living for a while. And I just think it looks so pretty. I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of our porch really soon. That's going to be an upcoming video. It really looks pretty out there. We've been enjoying it. Of course, when it's not so hot. I'm so ready for fall, you guys. I cannot wait for fall weather. So here's a little sneak peek too of another upcoming DIY video. You see my little basket display on the wall right there? if you are interested, make sure you stay tuned. Shameless plug. That's going to be a video that is coming out really soon, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. That basket feature on that wall looks incredible. All right, guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this little DIY. This was a really, really easy craft. If you don't have access to a dress form like I do, you could always get one of the dress forms that Hobby Lobby sells and use chicken wire to create kind of like almost like a skirt form, and that would give you something to stick your floral picks into. This is going to be really fun because, as you see, I have her done up in blues and yellows and oranges. It's going to be a really easy transition into fall. I'm just going to add some leaves and may take out some of the other florals. I don't know. I'm definitely a go big or go home kind of girl, and if you know anything about me at all, you know that I love to do floral craft projects. It's usually one of my favorite types of projects that I do. I just think flowers are fun, and it's just fun to be whimsical and creative when playing around with florals. So I love how she turned out. I just think she is so cute. I just want to thank my sweet friend Lisa at Crepe Myrtle Row for gifting me this super cute wicker dress form. This was actually hers. I believe she told me that she had her wedding gown displayed on it when she first got married. And then, like I said, she ended up not using it, and so she gifted it to me. So thank you so much, Lisa. I love the way that it turned out. So if you haven't already done so, I would like to invite you to become a part of my YouTube family by hitting that subscribe button and making sure that you hit the bell to be notified of when I place new videos up. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.